Jean and Ida. They are going to have a take the train home challenge today. Why?
I don't take the train home. For Ateneo.
Because she's applying for Ateneo and she has to take the train to school. So this is going to be her experience to see if she really wants to do it. Okay, we're just waiting for their mom and then off they go. Are you ready?
No, I'm wearing heels. Hello?
We're going to the train, the LRT, MRT. And let's see how it goes.
Hi. We're at the trains now. Yeah. I hate walking and this bag is heavy. But yeah. Okay, we went past the things and the x-ray. And there are lots of guards there. I wonder why. Because like even before pa, they were there. In the other place. Oh wow. Okay. It's not as crowded as I thought it would be, which I'm thankful for. I am like really scared of train tracks.
The front of the train is for women.
Yay, women!
Women!
But like, I'm really scared of train tracks. It's like, what if you drop something, tapos yung train is like, and what if it's your phone? Or what if it's something you need? It's just gonna get run over. Anyway, so like, what if you fell? Huh? What if you fell in the train tracks? That's so scary. And then like, whenever I lean over, I'm scared I'll fall and then get run over by a train.
This isn't about her.
It really is.
It's supposed to be about me because I'm going to Ateneo.
Then
maybe, allegedly.
Ateneo. So we went on the train. It was colder than I thought it was. Kasi last time na we went, like, there was maraming ng tao tapos ang init. So, but they have aircon now. Or have they always had? I don't know. Positive experience.
So, we're in Araneta City now. I think we're gonna take the next train line. So, stay tuned for that, ladies and gentlemen. Or we take a bus.
Yeah.
So, we can't find the LRT.
Because our mother made us go to the top floor. And she doesn't know where it is.
I told
It's
you.
downstairs pala.
I told you.
We're on the train to
Antipolo.
and my feet hurt. But Ate switched bags with me, so yay. I should not have worn heels, but yeah. It's still raining. It's windy, so that's good. It's not sweaty.
She almost got us. Okay, story time. Mommy almost went out at Pasig, and then I went back in, and then the doors almost closed, and I was like, what? And then, oh no. I knew, but she didn't. But I followed her because she was my mother.
Ito na train at ng station platform. Salamat po. Sa Tolan Station, sa Tolan.
When I said like there was an aircon before, that was a lie. I just remembered it wrong. There was, but we were with Lola, so it was the senior citizens place, and it's hotter here for some reason. So yeah.
And the Antipolo station,
Yeah.
the new one near SM.
It's still raining.
Next, we're gonna go on the bus. That's the next stop. That's it. Why am I filming? bus station with Mommy and Ida and Sabine. Oh, let's go. Okay, how do I stop?
Okay, we're out of the bus and in our village, and we have to walk, and I'm on heels, and my toes hurt. There's...
I'll hold this.
Oh, it filmed again. I took off my shoes. Like, okay, it's better at walking, but actually, yeah, who cares? Rapunzel, for real. And Ate is very ahead of... Ew, I just stepped in a lot of water. Ate is very ahead of us. We still have to go down like a full-on mountain. But the van ride wasn't bad. It was siksik pero mabilis naman. And in the train, it wasn't as hot as I thought it would be. And it's also been raining the entire day. So I will never wear heels to their work again. Ever. There's Ate. We're home. I walked the whole way without shoes. It's still raining. And yeah. Ate will tell you if she would do it again. Bye.